So happy 5th of July. Oh, right when it finishes.
Happy Bonfire
Happy Bonfire night in the UK and wherever it is. It's the 5th of November. And
in the UK.
In the UK, and if there's Bonfire night anywhere else in the UK, I mean out of the UK, like in Europe or something. Happy Bonfire night. Yeah, that was like behind some buildings, so we couldn't get that. So sorry.
We wish we could, but yeah, we've been
stupid houses.
We've been staring at out my window looking for the fireworks tonight,
and we're like really ashamed because we only saw like a couple, but then there was a big, massive one, and we didn't get on tape.
Which is sad.
Firework. I got that, and there's some over there. Yeah, I'm getting fireworks.
Oh, just a little bit higher firework.
No, just a little bit to the left.
Oh, higher to the left.
I got it. You're so little. She fell over.
I fell off the log, and then I got so scared.
She fell off this thing. She grabbed onto me.
I got so scared. I grabbed onto Connor because I didn't know what the bang was. Hello, random car. Who is that? Video. Oh, yeah.
Oh, I missed it.
We just saw a massive bang over
There's
there.
a big firework. Oh, look.
At least we got a little one on camera. Oh, can you see the top of them? Right over there. Obviously can't see me now. But yeah.
That car's confused.
Yeah, that car's confused. He doesn't know where he's going. He's trying to turn around, and he doesn't know. He's obviously a visitor.
Shush!
Somebody. But you missed it.
Oh, that's cold.
Sorry, holding the lamp.
Only one car. Oh, there. So pretty one. So this is going to be like a 10-minute vlog. Or a 9-minute, 59-second vlog.
Because I'm trying to climb the lamp.
Stop.
Whoa. They're nice flares. They're pretty. I really could do good. Well, I eat some Cheerios with cotton buds. Oh.
That was awesome. There's some fireworks going on over there. Just going to carry on recording for a bit. It's a bush! Okay guys, I'm just gonna look around and I'm gonna record. And this has been a big one, so when I see the next big one that's close, just gonna end the video. Yeah, so I'm at a different point of view. I'm now in Grace's house, and I might end the video in a minute.
Because we're not getting many fireworks.
Yeah, we're not getting that much fireworks, but we are getting some.
You need to get the cotton buds.
Okay, so we're just gonna end it on that note. So
I turned it off.
thank you for watching, and hope to see you in the next video, which will probably be another firework video, or maybe a Minecraft video. So thank you for watching, and see you later. Peace.